Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Paneer Mat Samosa. Add 1 teaspoon oil. 1 tablespoon butter. Let the butter melt completely. Add 2 chopped onions. Sauté until translucent. Add 3 chopped spring onions. Sauté well. 3 green chilies chopped. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Half capsicum chopped. Sauté well. Add 1 tablespoon plain flour. Roast well. Add half cup milk. Cook well. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala. Half teaspoon fenugreek leaves. Combine well. 1/4 cup boiled corn and peas. 1/4 cup grated carrots. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon mixed herbs optional. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Half tablespoon green chilli sauce. Sauté well. Add salt to taste. 200 grams paneer cubes. Combine well. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Paneer stuffing is ready. Take samosa sheets and apply flour paste as shown. Put another sheet as shown. Put sufficient paneer stuffing. Put some mozzarella cheese. Apply flour slurry as shown. Seal 2 sides as shown. Overlap second on first. Cut the strips with the help of scissors. Again brush some flour slurry. Make mat patterns as shown. Our mat-shaped samosa is ready to fry. Deep fry for 7 to 8 minutes until crispy golden brown. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.